Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today is sneak peek day 2 for our 5th birthday celebration and release coming out on June 8th. So we're going to jump in and take a look at some new stamp sets coming out in this release with the Under the Sea theme. Starting out with the 3x4 stamp set, See You Soon. It does have a coordinating die set that die cuts out all the pieces in this set. There are 4 bubbles, 2 sentiments, and the focal image that is this darling mermaid holding the narwhal. It's so very cute. And here you can see what it looks like when it's colored. I had so much fun coloring this to look like the Little Mermaid. I love her hair. She's so much fun. Here's the card I made with that mermaid, and there's a little sneak peek from another day coming up in the background of this card, and I will be showing you that in the coming days, so stay tuned. Here is the Mermazing 4x8 stamp set. You can see here there are 4 different mermaids and a bunch of little friends. We've got the crab, the fish, the starfish. There's a little stamp of fish. There's also some bubbles and flowers and 2 sentiments. Happy birthday, and you are mermazing. Now, the fish and some of the bubbles do not have dies to cut them out, but otherwise there are dies to cut out so many things in this set. So I absolutely love that. Here is a few images from the set colored and ready to go onto a card. I did make a card with this, and it is a shaker, and you can see here that this is a full panel shaker, which might give you a little hint about things to come in our sneak peeks. Okay, let's move on to another 3x4 set, the Fun Tustic set. It has this cute little walrus, and it has some sentiments in it as well, like who's got the coffee, long in the tooth but still full of youth, who's got the coffee, let's celebrate, I'm ready to party, and last, hope you have a fantastic day. Isn't it cute? And he's got some donuts on his tusks, a party hat. There's also some like sprinkles in the set that do not have a die to cut them out, but all the sentiments, the walrus and the coffee cup do have a die. There he is, all colored up, and I made a shaker card with this as well using some of our really fun paper. Here's the scoop paper and some sprinkles inside, and just made a really fun birthday card with this. So there is that shaker. And next we have another 4x8 stamp set. This one is so cute. It's multi-porpoise, and you can see there are so many dolphins in this set. 7 to be exact, and there is a die to cut them all out. Plus we have a ton of sentiments. Congratulations, thinking of you, happy birthday, Merry Christmas, even a Christmas hat, created with porpoise. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this all porpoise card. This is a multi-porpoise card, and there's a party hat as well. So a ton of sentiments in there that you can use with this set and other sets as well on your card making. Here are 2 of the dolphins colored up and a party hat. Very easy to color these. I used cool grays, and now they're ready to go on my party favor box. Can you believe this box? This is a brand new die set and add-on set that is in this release. I'm going to be showing it on sneak peek day 5 how to make this. It is so cool to have a treat box with a shaker window. It's so cool. So stay tuned for that. You are going to love it. All right, next and last, we have our Party Pirates stamp and die set. This has dies to cut out all the images, but not the sentiments, but it's got this huge pirate ship image in it. It is just so cute and a lot of fun little additional images that you can use to create a scene. The cloud, the wave, the skull, and crossbones. We have ahoy matey and arr. Happy birthday, and it's party time. So really fun set. I had to make a card with this one for this video. So after this, I will show you a complete shaker card made with this set as well. And there's the images you can see that do not have dies. Here it is all colored up. I did glue the skull and crossbones to the center of the biggest mast on this. Yeah, it's a mast. Okay, so now I'm pulling out circle layer set A. I die cut out a blue circle. I'm also taking 2 of those dies, taping the dies together, and die cutting out a piece of our rip and stick sheets. This is going to give me a ring that I can adhere to the back of this circle. And the reason why I want that is because I am going to create a circle shaped shaker card. All right, so first I'm going to stamp some waves with that image that comes in the set. I'm using some Salty Ocean because what other color would I use, right? And stamping that all over the background to just fill it in, give it a little something extra. I'm also going to go around the edge really lightly with my sponge dauber to add a little dusting of color, and that's just helps kind of draw the eye into the center, gives it a little bit more dimension. All right, so here is my circle shaker panel. Is that cool or what? Yeah, like I said, I'll be sharing the full collection of our shaker panels in an upcoming video, but I'm pretty excited that we're going to have these available in the shop in lots of shapes and sizes. So now I am just flipping over those little tabs and sticking them down all the way around. But also you want to remember to leave a little section open so you can fill it up with your shaker bits, right? Don't forget that part. But if so, you can pry it open. All right, this is the Saltwater Aquarium Clay Embellish Mix. It's got little fish, starfish, and clownfish, like in all different colors. I love that. So I'm going to put some of these into my shaker card. I did take out a few of the whales. There was so many in there, and then put a few of the other fish. And then it's time to just fill that up. And once I have it how I like it, then I can fold the rest of the tabs down. I do sometimes get ones that kind of stand up and get stuck there. So I just use my pick up tool, the pointy end, to go in there and kind of do a little surgery and get everybody laying down flat, and then fold over those remaining tabs just like that. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. All right, so on top of that is going to go my pirate ship that I already colored. It's ready to go. I used a mix of our rip and stick tape and liquid glue to really help hold this down on that plastic. And it's going to fit on this circle perfectly. This is just under 4 inches. Next, I'm going to take a 5 by 10 piece of paper folded in half and use a larger circle die, and you can see it's hanging off of the card a little bit on the side with the fold. That's so I can create a circle shaped card. See, it has the fold in it still. Then I can attach my shaker panel to that. I am going to use the rip and stick, but you could do another frame of the rip and stick sheets around that if you wanted. I just wanted to show you both ways how to do it, but I really like the ring the most for sticking the little tabs down originally the first time. All right, so now I'm adding a little bit of liquid glue and sticking that down to the card, and now it's going to stay really well, and I really appreciate good adhesion. All right, so that is mostly my card, but the inside is so dark with this dark brown card, so I wanted to go ahead and add a layer on the inside. Oh, here I'm just showing you, like you can see a little bit of where the tabs fold over. I think I could have used the circle layers set B and gone 1/8 of an inch up in size on my circle. So just play with your circle size for these. And now I'm adding a few clouds to the outside and the blue circle to the inside, because like I said, it's really dark on the inside. So I like putting another layer in there, and that's going to help me have a easier time writing on the inside. Although you could totally use a gel pen on the inside too, but I like adding the layer. It makes my card a little bit more sturdy. So that is the completed card. I hope you're enjoying the sneak peeks. If you missed the first video, you should know we have a special birthday bonus gift for you when you order $100 in the shop starting on June 8th. That's when this release hits the shop. Now this is sneak peek day 2. I have 3 more videos coming out for you with more sneak peeks, tons of cool stuff. So make sure you stay tuned and then join us on the 8th for our giant hop. I will see you all again tomorrow. Happy stamping. Bye.